So what changed? Was it the AI? Because, I mean, networking, I agree with you, wasn't cool for a while, but with AI, it's back.
I would completely agree. David and I, our goal is to prepare you for your career. And like it or not, I mean, the whole theme of this whole conference has been AI. AI this, AI that.
AI, AI, AI.
On AI, 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 AI.
AI's AI.
AI, AI.
AI, AI.
I think becoming a YouTuber is such a good idea because it does establish you as a brand, not in the way that you need to be like influencing and like getting sponsor deals, but it does help you get a job. It helps you to build a portfolio.
Big shout out to Brilliant for sponsoring this video. It's important that you don't just memorize rote facts, but actually gain an understanding of the topic that you're studying. Learn by doing. And that's what both I and my team really love about Brilliant. It's very hands-on, very different to traditional learning, which can often be boring and very ineffective. It's so much better to learn by doing. And to help you with your learning in today's fast-paced world, I'd recommend that you check out Brilliant. They really are brilliant. This isn't just boring lectures. Brilliant gets you involved right away with hands-on problem solving. You'll tackle concepts, you get to solve them yourself. This helps you gain a deep understanding of a topic. They start you with basic introductions and then build up your knowledge. I love how interactive the learning is. As an example, in their new digital circuits course, you'll see how quickly complex topics make sense as you work through the course. You are actively solving scenarios in the course. You're not just mindlessly following a video. Again, it's not just rote memorization. You are involved and have to solve problems yourself, and this helps build up your critical thinking skills. You'll start the course going through various concepts and seeing how they work in real time. This course covers a whole bunch of topics: circuits, current, voltage, power, and resistance. But you don't just learn about those topics by reading, as an example. You get to actually analyze circuits. You compare power, analyze voltage. Again, all with interactive examples. That really will help you understand how things work rather than just reading or watching a video. If you want to try everything Brilliant has to offer, go to brilliant.org/David Bombal and get access for free for 30 days. Or scan the QR code on screen. You'll also get 20% off an annual premium subscription using my link. Now, education is life-changing. Learn something new every day. To join Brilliant, use my link below.
Everyone, back with the amazing network Chuck. Chuck, great to have you back on the show.
David, it's been so long since we've been together in person, and this is going to be so fun.
So Chuck, I remember, what was it, 6 years ago? We were here.
6
in
years
San
ago.
Diego.
Yep, this exact spot 6 years ago. So much has changed. Like David right now is drinking coffee. I've converted him. It's complete. It's amazing.
I got to get you on tea, man.
If David makes tea, I will drink tea. If you want David to make tea, comment below.
And I unfortunately not drinking Network Chuck coffee, but you're going to give me some later, right?
I will give David Network Chuck coffee. He's going to have some. He's going to love it, get addicted, and never look back.
Chuck, I got to say, you're back.
Oh, boys! I'm back!
Yeah, it's been a while since you've been to Cisco Live. What's happened?
So Cisco Live, like the last one was 2019. The last one that David was with me here, that was the last one I was at.
Wow.
And
yeah, in San Diego. It's amazing, that.
Yeah. And then COVID hit.
Yep.
Right? So things kind of went down. And I think in that point, my shift started going away from networking a bit. I think, both you and I kind of had that little trip, little vacation from networking.
Yep.
But I didn't really come back. You did. So did you come back to the first Cisco Live after it came back?
I think it was the second one after COVID.
Okay.
But I've been back to a few since then.
Yeah. You're in it. You're all about networking, which is good. That was our bread and butter. It's how we came up. You're a CCIE emeritus. But for me, I don't know. Networking kind of lost its luster for a bit. And cybersecurity was just where it was at. And it wasn't that I didn't still love networking. There's so much networking in cybersecurity. It's still there. It's so there. But it was that I think I had spent a lot of my career wanting to do that. And I just wanted to follow that passion for a bit. Plus the views.
At least you admitted it. The views.
Yeah, I mean, let's be honest. Networking, there is a limit to how many people care about it. But cybersecurity, that's a whole new audience. That's a whole bunch of people who I mean, people don't like want to become network engineers. They don't aspire to that unless they watch our channel to begin with. There was already a huge audience for cybersecurity. It was already there. So you and I both, we capitalized on that, and I just kept going with it. I would make CCNA videos here and there, but I very much went all in on cybersecurity and now AI.
Yep.
But I'm back.
So what changed? Was it the AI? Because, I mean, networking, I agree with you, wasn't cool for a while, but with AI, it's back.
I would completely agree. So I jumped all into AI, made a ton of AI content. Some of it you guys loved. I know a lot of you probably watched both David and I, and it popped off. But after a time, it became AI slop, and people did not respond to it well. And when you're a YouTuber, when you get a video that hits like that 10 out of 10 mark, which 10 out of 10 is not good when you're a YouTuber, it means a bad video. When you get a few of those, you start to question, what the heck am I doing? And just the AI stuff wasn't hitting. And then also, I don't know about you or about the audience, but AI was starting to stress me out. I'm like, what's the future? I'm so tired of all the tools coming out. I'm getting fatigued with all the AI.
Yep.
But then I realized that with all the AI happening and it taking away, well, not taking away, it abstracting a lot of the programming and a lot of the DevOps things we're getting into, what still needs people the most, and it still needs experts, is the infrastructure, the networking. So I'm seeing a resurgence back to this stuff, the stuff that was supposed to be automated completely. It didn't get all get automated. We're all still here talking about CLI. It's still a thing. So networking, it kind of called me back a little bit. I started thinking about networking again. I started looking at getting my CCNP. Don't ask me about it in the comments. If one of you say one thing about CCNP, I might do that. I might do it.
I'm going to hold you to that.
Please. I need some accountability. My team won't do it for me, but just the idea of networking, the community. Oh my goodness.
Have you noticed the community here is amazing?
The community, like, I've been gone. It's like I'm the I would say prodigal son. That's too much. But I'm the jerk that left and came back after 6 years, and it's like I never left. Like, oh hey Chuck, you're back. That's the kind of community the networking community is. Like once you're in, and it's not hard to get in. Like they're very welcoming. It's like family. And there's 22,000 people here this week, but it's the most welcoming community I've ever been in. Cybersecurity is different. It's different. Not to say there's not amazing people in cybersecurity. There are. It's just a whole different ballgame. And I was not. I mean, you and I both hit some roadblocks. We fell into some trouble. It was rough. We're still dealing with the wounds, still licking our wounds from those moments. But the community and networking, there's something special about that. And if you're looking to jump into IT, jumping into networking, specifically just network engineering or anything around that realm, you're going to jump into a very welcoming place, and you're going to have so much help, so much support. I would highly recommend it. So yeah, that's what's drawing me back is I miss networking, because networking is so fun. Like it really is. And I miss the hardware aspect, and I miss the community. So that's why I'm here. And I'm actually making a video about Cisco Live, about coming back after a while, and kind of the history of Cisco Live. And I'm hoping, because like I would say, like I do have a spark back for networking, but I'm hoping that this Cisco Live will really light the fire for me to be confident and excited about it again. Like I want to make CCNA content again, which is so weird in 2000. What year are we in? 25. Oh my gosh. I think the networking scene's coming back. It's big. It's going to be big.
So can we expect some networking content on your channel, or what are you thinking?
Yes. Yeah. So I'm actually, gosh, I guess I'll say it here right now.
Come spill the beans.
I'm going to restart my CCNA series on YouTube.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Gonna pick up where I left off. I'm not making any promises on completion. It's probably going to be going on forever. I'll never finish it, but I enjoy it too much not to do it.
Yeah.
And I think it's I've met so many people here who have watched it, and it's not anywhere near a complete CCNA course, but just what they've seen, it's helpful. It's helping people, and that's all I care about. Like, Dave, I know you have the same experience. We meet so many people, and they've had their lives changed just by some silly videos we make online.
Yep.
It's amazing to see that, and I want to do more of that.
And it's so fantastic at Cisco Live, right? Because you're seeing people in person, and they're taking photos with you, and they're talking to you directly.
Yeah.
It means more in many ways than a comment, because you don't know what the backstory is necessarily. But when
Yeah.
someone meets you in person,
It's completely different because I mean, yeah, like David said, YouTube, it's a comment. Is it a bot? I don't know. But in person, it's like that person now, they have a career because you don't come to Cisco Live by accident. It's expensive. Travel, accommodation. The base ticket is $900. The full ticket's like $3,000. If you're here, it's because you're valuable to a company that wanted you to learn. And it's really cool to see that we're part of that journey.
now YouTube, right? We both know it's a difficult game. A lot of people don't understand how YouTube works. There's
No.
a reason that you did cyber content, like you said. There's a reason that you do certain things because on YouTube, views are important.
Yes.
So networking content, you said in the beginning, might not get the views. You're still going to do it though.
Yeah. So here's the thing. I don't care.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
I like that.
So
That's the right attitude, yeah.
yeah. Like chasing views on YouTube, it is, especially now. I mean, the algorithms changed so much over the years, but I feel like now with AI, it's changed significantly to where I care more about the core community, the people that have come up with us, the new people coming in that really want to learn something. I don't care about the clicks anymore. I just want to make the video for the person. I'm imagining that person that, oh, I just want to learn networking and it's so hard to get in. I want to inspire that person. That's it. I want to inspire the younger version of me to jump in. I want to be that person. And so that's my attitude now. Not to say I do still care about YouTube.
You got to
I
pay the
care.
bills.
Yeah, I care about views. So when I make a new CCNA video, I'm going to think about all the important YouTube things. So if you're watching, you want to become a YouTuber, no matter what the topic is, you have to think about packaging. Before I make a video, I think, what's that thumbnail going to be? What's that title going to be? And then the first 5 seconds of that video, does it deliver the promise that I'm making in the title and the thumbnail? If it doesn't, I have to spend so much more time on that. I don't know about you, David, but this year I was convicted about not spending near enough time on my packaging on thumbnail. I was watching a YouTuber. They said they should spend at least 35% of their entire production process on the packaging. I don't do
Yeah,
that.
the same. It's a lesson to learn, right?
Yeah. I'm like, how? But nowadays with AI and just critical thinking, you can really put some time into a thumbnail. But beyond that, the content itself, I'm going to put some work into the CCNA videos. Like, I'm going to try and make it fun and exciting. And that takes a lot of work. Like, and people who watch us, like, you don't understand how hard it is to take a very complex topic and make it simple, make it digestible and fun. Because, like, let's be honest, networking, if you don't have the context for it, can be very, very droll, very boring. And it takes, like, for me, watching your content, watching Jeremy Chara, it took that to make me go, oh, that's actually pretty stinking cool. It takes that initial spark. And so I that's what I'm going to try and do.
I love that.
That's my
I mean,
goal.
I'm glad that you're back. It's good to have you back.
Glad to be back.
Network Chuck is actually Network Chuck again.
Oh, I called out. Yes.
I love that. I got to call you out.
Yeah. So you're not the only one who said that. A few people have said that this week. Like, oh, Chuck, you're back. Does that mean you're going back to networking? I'm like, I guess. I mean, I've not made networking content, but it's kind of like where we're at now. But yeah.
You still make AI content, do you think?
Yes, because you have to.
Yeah.
David and I, our goal is to prepare you for your career. And like it or not, I mean, the whole theme of this whole conference has been AI. AI this, AI that.
AI.
On AI.
AI's AI.
AI is going to be part of your life. I've asked everyone, I've been doing interviews, I've been talking with people in the Cisco learning community who are in charge of creating the CCNA. I'm like, what should people learn? AI. Learn AI with your networking. So what's my content strategy? It's not going to be like, oh, a new model came out, here's how good it is. It's not going to be that. It's going to be, how can you use AI to do your job better? Let me show you a few ways to do that while teaching you the core concepts. I was just interviewing a guy over at Juniper has an event at the same time as Cisco. So funny, it cracks me up. But I went over there and talked with them, and I was interviewing a guy who said that what you need to do now is study AI along with Cisco. In fact, or not Cisco, he didn't say Cisco, he said networking because he's a Juniper guy. But you need to learn the basics. You need to learn OSI models, TCP IP. You got to learn OSCP. You got to learn OSCP. Oh my gosh, the hackey's coming back.
Coming back.
No. OSPF, BGP. Like, you need to learn the basics. That's so important. So AI with everything. So yeah, I'll be making AI content. What about you? Are you going to be making AI content?
I've tried a little bit, but it's the same thing, right? It's not. I don't know if the audience really like it because there's fatigue.
Yeah.
And like there's so much AI content out there or people talking about it. So maybe a little bit, but it'll be different to, like you said, like new model, all this, that, and the other. I'll probably pair it with networking as well, like you're doing, or with cybersecurity.
And that's the way, because I think AI is still so way ahead of its time. And also it's kind of mixed in with like charlatans right now. You got so many people saying, oh, start a business with AI, or you can make 6-figure business right now in a week
Feels
with
like
AI.
crypto.
Yeah, it feels like it's so much like crypto.
Yeah.
I made the mistake of posting a crypto video and then an AI video back to back, and they both bombed. And I'm like, people are like, oh, I used to watch your network, Chuck, when you posted good stuff. I've had that said to me. It's so funny. But yeah, AI content is very important, but we have to make it very practical to like their lives, what they're doing, and how they can really use it. And also how to not use AI. Like there are times when you should not use AI.
Yeah.
You should not use it to think for yourself. Don't use it to summarize for you. You need to spend time, like get a white paper and read the white paper. Spend some time with it, absorb it, try to understand it, try to summarize it yourself. Don't let AI summarize stuff for you. It's going to do all the thinking for you, and that's where you learn. Humans learn through the cognitive effort of just pushing forward and grappling with an idea. That's kind of been my theme word for the past 2 weeks, is grappling. Like spending time with something, because that's where we get stuff. I try to use AI to make content. I can't. It ruins me. It breaks my entire process.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Chuck, you've helped me with my YouTube channel in the past, so thanks so much for that. You've been like a great person to talk to, like bounce ideas off. There's very few people who are YouTubers who understand networking, so this has been great for me as well. This relationship's been great, right? To like learn stuff from you. So 2025, you're almost at 5 million subs now. You're like one of the most famous, if not the most famous person in networking, cyber, etc. What's your advice if I want to become a YouTuber like you? And I'm not talking about me personally, but you know, if I'm someone who's new to this and I want to be like you, what's your advice? Because like you said, the algorithm's changing, things are changing. Is it even worth becoming a YouTuber?
So first of all, thank you, David. You're so kind. He's always complimenting me, but look at this guy. He's got his own booth in here. I mean, I had to fight for this. I had to fight to even get into this place.
Next year, you'll have it.
David's a big deal. I 100% say, without doubt, become a YouTuber if you want to. You don't have to become an influencer to be successful, but you do have to have your own brand, your own persona. You have to have you figured out and be able to explain that to people to be successful in any career right now. I think becoming a YouTuber is such a good idea, because it does establish you as a brand, not in the way that you need to be like influencing and like getting sponsored deals, but it does help you get a job. It helps you to build a portfolio. It helps you to learn the skills that you need to be successful, especially in the age of AI. What people don't realize is that AI is going to replace some of the basic things like memorizing CLI commands, getting into all that nitty gritty, but it can't yet replace the soft skills that we depend on. This, like just coming to a conference and interacting with people, you're going to need that. Being able to explain why you're a valuable asset to a company when they're rolling in AI products, you're going to have to be able to do that. So I think starting a YouTube channel, by far the best idea ever. Now, how do you do it? I would say, like, for example, let's say you're becoming a network engineer.
Yeah.
First, just start making content immediately. Just start right now. Don't wait. Post a video today. Like right now, you're wasting time watching me. Well, not wasting time. This is time well spent. But as soon as you're done, like shut your computer down or use your computer to write a script and film a video. You're going to suck. It's going to be really bad. Your video is going to be terrible. You're going to get 2 views. It takes reps. It takes time. Like I remember like celebrating 100 views on a video. That was a massive milestone for me. You're going to have those moments. You're going to creep up. It's going to take time. Start making content. You get better with the reps. It's a rep game. You'll get better at making videos. You'll get better at all of that. And niche down. Don't try to copy me. Don't try to copy David. Don't try to make a video about all the random things. Actually, my producer, Alex, he's an aspiring YouTuber as well. He just did this. He figured this out. He had this channel where he was just talking about so many different things. He was doing this and that, and it was so unfocused. He's like, okay, fine. I'm going to niche down to like just figuring I think his channel is called Closer Look. You should check it out. It's called Closer Look. He's like, my thing is just going to be diving into, his last video was like optical illusions, trying to figure out optical illusions. I'm just going to do closer looks at random things. As soon as he did that, things started cooking, popping off. So I say niche down, pick one specific area. If you're watching us, you probably care about IT and networking and cybersecurity. That's your angle. Focus in on that. Teach that. Talk about new things in the industry. Get excited about it. Be authentically you. Don't try to be me. Don't try to be David. And that's, David, I'm so impressed by you because you don't try to be anybody but authentically you.
I can't be. I can only be myself.
Yeah, but people try to do that.
They do.
You'll see copycats of you. You'll see copycats of me.
Yeah.
It's bad. It looks really bad. They do not take off. But if you find your unique voice, and you do have one,
Remember who you are.
and it might take a minute to find it. Like, don't feel bad if you're like on the camera and you have no idea what you're doing. You sound terrible. It's okay. I did too. David did too. David wasn't even on camera when I met him.
That's right. That's right.
I had to tell you to put your face on the screen.
You did.
It's so funny. But yeah, don't let anything stop you. Don't let anything stop you. And I know like YouTube is still a thing. And I think it will be a thing for a long time. Do it right now.
Do it! Just do it!
Chuck, you're an inspiration to so many people. Really want to thank you for always sharing, giving good advice and being real. Thanks so much.
Thank you, David. And your friendship has kept me going. I think us collaborating has kept us both encouraged. So thank you for being you. Thank you for sticking with this community while I abandoned it for a while. Thank you for taking care of it.
It's good to have you back.
Yes, sir.